Hey, welcome to the Gargoyles Den Diecast. I'm Gargoyle, of course. Today we're going to do a tribute to our firefighters that are all out fighting wildfires at this time. Whether it be here in Arizona, California, or even those that are up in Canada. Wherever your firefighters are fighting, this one's for them. We're going to do an original 1969 fire chief car for the fire department. This one is being restored. It doesn't look bad if you look at it from a distance. It actually looks pretty nice. It doesn't have a lot of chips or anything in it. But if you look up close, see what looks like sparkles? Those aren't sparkles. Those are bubbles in the paint. That is the whole reason that we're redoing this one. Other than that, there's nothing wrong with it. Maybe a little bit of touch up on the wheels, but yeah, other than that, it's just the bubbles in the paint. So we're going to repaint it and put new tampos on it. And that'll pretty much be it for this one. So let's go ahead and get into it. As usual, shielded drilling is always our friend. Start with that. Yes, I do have oil on the drill bit itself. Somebody asked me about that last video. I said that I put it on the drill bit rather than showing it. And they were wondering why I didn't show it. So, you know, I just always have stuff already set and ready to go. But yeah, I mean, if you don't use oil, you're just going to dull your drill bits real quick. So it's kind of pointless not to. And if you dull them, they're not going to cut through quite that easily and that quick. So that should tell you something. As you see, the base is in good shape. I mean, we're going to polish it up and clean it up a little bit, but other than that, it's good. Tires, we'll leave them on because, like I said, all we're going to do is polish it. And we'll touch them up with the Molotov Chrome, liquid chrome marker. The interior and plastic, these will all go into the Dept degreaser. That way we can gauzy the window and stuff afterwards. And this, we're going to go drill it out, and then we're going to take it over to the rear station juice. And I'll show you what it looks like as it's taking the paint off. Stay tuned. Back momentarily.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. races. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste, and I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no shame, baby came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
And here's where we ended up. It's time to get it back together. I believe the paint's dry enough now. I do still need to touch up the wheels after I get it back together, and then we will be back for our reveal. And here we are, final result. Got it all back together. Did a little bit of the touch up on the wheels and stuff. Highlighted the tail lights on the back. Other than that, there wasn't really any details done. This is the way it came originally, and this is the way I wanted to keep it. Hope everybody likes it. I absolutely love it. I'm in love with it. This one I debated on whether I was going to put on eBay or not. I'm still debating. I might keep it for my collection. But I've still got one more of these that I can do for my collection. I've also got a black-white one that I can do for the police for my collection as well. So this one might just go on eBay. If you're interested, look up my seller ID. It's JMGargoyle_3. Until next time, that's all, folks. Bye now.